Hey, howdy, hey y'all. In this edition of What's on the Porch, I have an IPSY Glam Bag X that I canceled and then I resubscribed by accident. So let's talk about it and I'll show you what's in this box. So I have the newspaper that comes in the Glam Bag X that tells me who curated the box, and it's Madelaine somebody. I have no idea who she is. Here's what happened. I got the dreaded email that said, limited time only, earn a bonus free $99 gift when you treat yourself to Glam Bag X. Hurry, supplies are limited. Did I pay attention to what I was clicking on? No, I just clicked to see what the $99 gift is. When you click, it's instantly reactivates your Glam Bag X. So here we are. I accidentally reactivated my Glam Bag X and I'm not too happy about it, but it's my own fault. This is why you should not just willy-nilly click on stuff. Don't do that. And I'm not happy with my $99 gift. That's why I clicked on the email to see what the $99 gift was. And here it is. It's the PMD. I have gotten several of these in my subscription boxes, and I mean, they're nice. They're nice. There's lots of people that love these. I just wasn't all that crazy about it. I have a little silicone scrubby thingy that I hold in my hand, and I just do my thing, and I don't have to worry about batteries and this sitting on the side of the sink and all of that good stuff. So, but I'm going to give this to my daughter, so no harm, no foul. My email says that my Glam Bag X is worth $326. And let me show you what I chose once. I mean, like, I hit the link and my phone, because I have my phone set up so that it alerts me every time there's a charge on my credit card. I clicked and my phone went off. That is how quickly that happened. So, and I'm going to cancel again. I chose the PINROSE Wild Child fragrance. And I don't know what happened to the box, but it is quite beat up. Here's what the product looks like, and I don't know. It is worth $60. That smells really good. I'm not mad about that. The other item that I chose is this Keys SOULCARE Let Me Glow Illuminating Serum. I have some of the Keys SOULCARE products and I am really enjoying them. Such pretty packaging. They all come in glass containers. And I love that every product has like a little affirmation on them. I give myself permission to glow. I think that that's awesome. Keys SOULCARE is also very affordable. This product retails for $26. It has a little pump. And what does it do? Illuminates, plumps, and revitalizes. It's got niacinamide in it and rose water. I know that Alicia Keys loves her rose water. I'm going to just put a little pump on my hand. You can see that it has some color to it. Feels really good. It has a very light rose scent, and I know a lot of people don't like the smell of rose, but it's very light, and I would imagine that probably dissipates really quickly. The other item that I chose and it's looking quite rough, are these Complex Culture All the Angles brushes, and it's 2 brushes. And I don't have many Complex Culture brushes, but they're supposed to be really nice. These are $48, and it is a precision concealer brush. I'm assuming that's this one. Oh, it's a triangle. That would be nice for getting in your eye and under your eye area. And the other one is a petite powder brush, which looks like the perfect highlighter brush. Very heavy. They feel very, very nice, and I like the soft touch handles. They're very nice. I like that. So I'm not mad about those. So those are the 3 items that I chose. The rest of the items are another Key SOULCARE product. This is Sheer Flush Cheek Tint, and it's in Grace. And I like that name because that was my grandmother's name. Well, actually, she was Gracie. Gracie Lou was her name. I did not realize that Key SOULCARE had started coming out with makeup products. I thought that they were just doing skincare. That's a cute little jar. This says Sheer Flush Cheek Tint, and the affirmation on it is, I choose my own path. Oh, that's a pretty color. Very nice. That has a very light scent to it. I have recently started playing around with cream products, blushes and bronzers, and I'm starting to like them. I didn't think I was going to like them. The cream blush from Key SOULCARE is $22. The next item is this Wander Beauty. This is Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. This product retails for $42. Illuminating Face Oil. Comes in a little dropper hoo-ha thingy. Oh. That's interesting. That's actually really pretty. See the pink? Okay, that's not oily. It just absorbed into the skin, but my skin does look really nice. What is it supposed to do? Niacinamide, Panthenol, bring out skin's inner radiance. Alrighty, so I guess I'll be trying that now that I've opened it and all that good stuff. And then we have Dew of the Gods Claydate Haya activated pink clay mask. And it is all sealed up, but we're going to open it up because I have the Dew of the Gods under eye patches, and I absolutely love them. They are my favorite eye patches. So I already know that I like this brand. Here's what the container looks like. It's plastic. Let's see how much this cost. This is $42. I love a good clay mask. It's got a cover on it, and that's what the clay looks like. And I just stuck it on my nose. That smells really good. And not only did I stick it on my nose once, I stuck it on my nose twice. It has a nice scent to it. So I'm excited about that because I do love a good clay mask, and I love this brand. Let's see what the box says. The website says that the hero ingredient is mineral-rich pink clay, used for centuries thanks to its ability to help hydrate, heal, and revitalize the skin. The box, which has tiny, tiny little words on it, says, oh my god, pink clay? Okay, we'll pull out the magnifying glass and read that later. And then I got this scrub set. NCLA Scrub Set in Pink Grapefruit. This is Sugar Sugar, and it's leaking. Oh. Yep, that's nice. The lid was loose. This retails for $24. Cap also, it has a plastic cap that is stuck in the lid, I think. So that's what it looks like. It smells really good. See, clean up on aisle 6. To help you scrub your lips, you have this. It's a nice little soft silicone scrubby thing, which my little scrubby thing that I use on my face is just like this, except for it's round. It's not shaped like lips, but okay, that's cute. And the last item in my accidental IPSY Glam Bag X that's curated by somebody I've never heard of is this iconic London Day to Slay, nope, Sunset to Sunrise eyeshadow palette. I think this is like a $60-some palette. It's a very pretty palette. And I already have it. So, I'm going to give this palette to my daughter as well. So my daughter did well with my IPSY Glam Bag X accidental purchase. And she even gets free fingerprints. Accidental IPSY Glam Bag X purchase. And now I will be going to the website and canceling that. Because I don't want to do that. If you enjoyed this crazy video, show that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye. Christopher, you need one of these for when you go fishing to help keep your lips from getting chapped. This can also help you lose weight. If you hold it in between your teeth, you can't eat or talk to anybody. Mama loves you, boo. Hey, howdy, hey, y'all. Oh, gosh, that cracks me up.